Dear learners, this is Shashi Ramachandran. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to accounting. This is the first chapter of class 11th accountancy. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the meaning and need of maintaining accounts, differentiate the terms accounts, accounting, and accountancy, and also you will understand the meaning of transaction. Let's begin with a small story. There was a boy named Rahul. He thought of asking for pocket money from his father. He went to his father and asked for the pocket money, as all his friends were getting it from their parents. His father agreed and gave him rupees 500. Rahul became happy and started spending his pocket money lavishly. At the end of the month, he was left with a small amount. So the next month, again he decided to ask for pocket money from his father. This time, his father asked him, "Where did you spend your last month's pocket money?" Rahul tried to recall, but he couldn't remember the list of items he purchased. He promised that next time he would keep a record. Father agreed and gave him his pocket money and also told him that he wanted a date wise expense list, total money spent on each item, and the amount left or saved by him. Rahul felt happy to get his pocket money. Next month, when Rahul went to his father for pocket money, he was ready with the list of expenses. Father was very happy to see the list. Then he asked for the total amount spent on each item. To his surprise, Rahul was also ready with that. Father was too happy. But after analyzing the record, his father sighed and said, "Oh, what is this? You spend more money on parting and burgers than on the books and stationery. No pocket money from now on." Now, what have you observed? Human mind cannot remember so many things happen in a day, and in the business there are so many events that happen in a day. So to know what is the position of business, it's necessary to maintain a record and make a report. That is what called as account. So account is a report or a description of an event. So when we make a report or write a description, that is what called as account. On the other hand, accounting is basically the process or the action by which these reports or descriptions are created. Okay, so accounting, we can say it's a process by which a report of an event is created. Accounting is nothing but a language of business, because where business is growing, business like what profit business is earning, how well business is doing, that is only known from seeing or observing the account of a business. So the process of accounting is a language of business. So accounting is all about keeping a track of money earned and money spent, and also it helps to take important decisions. On the other hand, accountancy, it refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting. Means accountancy basically is a discipline. Accountancy is a subject. It's a subject where you learn theory as well as the practice of accounting. So I hope you are clear with these terms. Account, to having a report or a description of an event, is an account. The process which is followed to prepare these reports is accounting. And as a discipline, as a subject, the term is called as a accountancy. So accountancy includes account and accounting. Okay. Now the first statement, account, a report or a description of an event. Now, moving to this thing, an event. Now, in accountancy, we'll call this event as a transaction. So, an event or happening in the business is known as transaction. Okay, anything whatever happens in a business is called as a transactions. Okay, now other than business, a businessman uh, has some other transaction also, means anything which happens in a business, that is only called as a business transaction. Like you can say, like a businessman paying his son's school fee or paying a rent for his own house, these are not the business transaction, rather they are his personal transactions. So the transactions which occur in a business is called as a business transactions. And now in a business there are number of transactions which takes place, like purchase of raw material, retirement of a senior marketing manager, purchase of a machinery, payment of a bills, hard work of an employee. All these are the transactions or the happenings or the event which are there in the business. But what business records? Business only records the transactions which can be expressed in the term of money. So monetary transactions are only recorded in the business. So we can say that therefore the transaction like retirement of an employee or his hard work will not be recorded in the business. And such business transactions are known as financial transactions. So we can say that any event or happening in the business is known as transactions, and the transactions which occur in a business is called as a business transaction, all economic transaction. And these business transaction again, the one which are of a monetary nature or you can say which can be expressed in terms of money, is called as a financial transaction. So I hope you got the term here. We learnt about account, accounting, accountancy, transaction, business transaction, and a financial transaction. So in my next video, I will explain you the process of accounting. And I really hope that you like this video. Share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel Exuberant Learners. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest updates on my channel. Thank you.